Hi, good afternoon, friends. My name is Ritesh, and today I want to share a very important recall from the past which happened during a training session in Sitla. And I was doing a training session in Amritsar, and I was talking about in clinic excellence, and there was some structured module which I was delivering. And this was one of the very first modules developed internally by the training team. And Amritsar, which come under Punjab, and most of the sales team is very energetic. So while delivering this session, one of the area sales manager, she was a female, and between the session she asked, "Sir, everything is okay, call opening, detailing to the doctor, talking about our product, doing right closing, but most of these theories, most of these things doesn't work when it comes to the actual doing month-end closing." So just to give you a background, in those times Cipla had around 17-18 divisions, and during closing at one of the distributor, I have personally seen many of the people sitting in the corridor waiting for their orders till late night. And she was exactly talking about that incident, that nothing works when it comes to the real sales closing at a distributor. So that was a very, what I say, tricky question. And if I would have been a purely sales trainer or a trainer, I would not be able to answer. But being in sales for initial 5-6 years with Lupin and Hindustan Unilever, so I took a pause, and then with a slight humor I said, who take the decision to involve into this closing? So क्वेश्चन बेसिकली उन्होंने पूछा था कि सर जो क्लोजिंग की बारात है, तो क्लोजिंग की बारात भी तो हमें झेलनी पड़ती है। तो मैंने जो उनको स्पेसिफाई आंसर दिया, मैंने उनको बोला कि भाई ये बारात में आने का फैसला भी आपका था, और बारात के सगे संबंधी भी आपके हैं, ठीक है। अब जब बारात में आप आ ही गए हो तो कोशिश करो कि अच्छी तरीके से डांस करो, अच्छा एंजॉय करो और इसका लुत्फ उठाओ, ना कि आप परेशान हो, ठीक है। तो ये जब मैंने आंसर दिया तो ऑटोमेटिकली सब लोग हंसने लगे और माहौल थोड़ा अच्छा हो गया। और बाद में आके उस एरिया सेल्स मैनेजर लेडी ने मुझे बोला कि सर, इससे बेहतर उत्तर इसका नहीं हो सकता था। तो मैं आज भी उस मौके को रिकॉल करता हूँ जब मैं नया सिप्ला में गया था, और पंजाब के जो सेल्स टीम थे बहुत ही फायरिंग थे, उनके जो क्वेश्चंस होते थे बहुत प्रैक्टिकल होते थे। तो उन्हीं में से ये एक वाकया था जो मैंने आपके साथ शेयर किया। आशा आप एंजॉय करेंगे।